Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 3 over 27. The goal is to reduce the fraction to its simplest form by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. First, let's break down both the numerator and the denominator into their prime factors. Starting with the numerator 3, the prime factorization is simply 3, as 3 is already a prime number. Now let's find the prime factorization of 27. Since 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, the prime factorization is 3 cubed. Now let's identify the greatest common factor of 3 and 27. The greatest common factor is the largest factor that both numbers share, which is 3. Once we find the greatest common factor, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by this number. Now let's divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. The numerator divided by 3 equals 1, and the denominator divided by 3 equals 9. Now we have our simplified fraction. Therefore, 3 over 27 simplifies to 1 over 9. By simplifying a fraction, we make it easy to compare and work with fractions in general. Remember that simplifying fractions involves breaking numbers into their prime factors, finding the greatest common factor, and reducing the fraction using that factor.